Now this next part we find in the door is actually quite disturbing. Check that out. All right, today we've got a Gliderol sectional garage door. I'll give it an operation up and down, see what you reckon. We've been sent out here to inspect the door because it's extremely noisy. Now apparently it's not as bad today, but yeah, it's quite bad. And we'll go over the door and I'll show you quite a few things about this newer style door they've got out. It's got dual rollers. That's apparently an upgrade from the old single roller style that everyone else uses. Got a couple of loose screws there already. Another bent hinge and damaged panel, just from everyday wear and tear. Look how much movement these panels have got. That's shocking. That is far too much movement for your typical garage door. Far too many moving parts too, I reckon. So the roller pins are meant to slide in and out so the door can self-center, but they are not meant to do that. There's not meant to be any movement in the rollers like this. That one's not too bad. Look at that, more loose screws. Now I've been out to doors that are more than 15 to 20 years old, and the original tech screws are still holding the hinges nice and tight. There you go, Gliderol garage doors. Good job. That's the installer. All right, let's put this down and we'll take a better look at the rest of the panels. A little bit of flex there, and a lot of flex right there. Now this next part we find in the door is actually quite disturbing. Check that out. Well, that's what the problem is. Yeah, just the middle one, especially that one there. Those are. Nah.
Zero there.
There's one, there's one tiny bit in that corner, that's it, and the rest is eaten. Oh no, there's not actually.
Nothing.
Nah.
How would that come off?
It's in the mullion. Yeah, it's in the mullion, but... So yeah, this end mullion in the door has just got nothing holding it on. That panel has just disintegrated. Screws into nowhere, so we've actually replaced some extra screws in there. Same on this side as well. So we're just using some self-tapping screws with a fine thread to try and bite into this very poor quality thin material. The very tiny hinges do not help one bit. Pretty much forever, these doors have used quite long hinges, and these hinges just don't have any bite to it. That is just absolutely shocking. Look at that. Now we'll go around the outside and check this out. Check the gap there compared to the other side. Look at that. This door is only about 1 year old. Absolutely shocking. Wait till we put the door down and you see the next panel. That one actually closes up pretty good. Check this one out. It doesn't even want to overlap with the next panel. So for a temporary fix, we're going to have to put some spray lubricant on that part because it won't actually slide over without making a terrible bang. So at least with some lubricant, it will slide over okay. Still doesn't close completely. Looks totally shocking. But it will get the door running until this gets replaced. There's no way you can fix this door. It's just very poor quality. And the thing is, it's not exactly a manufacturing defect or a defect that's just happened on the day of manufacturing. The most important thing in this defect are these hinges. They're just not suited to this style of door. I'm pretty sure these small hinges are meant for insulated panels that are mainly overseas. They have a lot thicker skin, so have a better purchase on the panels. Well, there you go. Gliderol sectional garage door. Hopefully their new model is a lot better. I believe they are going back to the old style hinges and maybe getting rid of these dual rollers as well. There's just no need for them. Absolutely shocking. Well, there you go. Good job, Gliderol. Not beauty.
I'm that roller door bloke. Thanks for watching.